You guys ready for a trailer that's welcomed by all state parks and half-ton towable? It's coming up here in just a sec. 2024 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 25 RBP half-ton towable. 31 feet overall tip to tail. Front molded fiberglass cap with LED lights that'll make you the talk of the campsite. Giant awning with LED light strip and outdoor speakers. Tankless on-demand water heater. Asdel composite panels with a Yeti sidewall construction. Wide track suspension to keep you stable on the road in windy conditions. Huge pass-through King Kong storage with your solar charge controller for your solar panels up top, and it's prepped for an inverter. Exterior fridge and skillet for your outdoor cooking experiences. More ride solid sets that go from all the way from the ground up to the trailer. Tons of countertop space in the bathroom, as well as you have tons of storage above. Porcelain toilet and 2-panel shower. 35-inch screen TV, as well as you have your radio control right there and your slide control right above on the top left. Your kitchen dinette or study area. L-shaped couch with your tri-fold bed. Blackout shades so that way you're not silhouetting at night. Solid surface countertop and stainless steel sink. 3-burner stove with an air fryer oven. Stainless steel microwave, as well as tons of storage above the sink. RV king-size bed with storage underneath, as well as you have connections over here and over here to charge your electronic devices. So come on out, take a look, and make sure this is a trailer for you in your next adventure.